So this question just goes over the way to interpret error bars. We talked a little bit about that yesterday, but this is some good review. First thing I'd like to point out is that the word justify is used twice in part A and part B, but it means something slightly different. And so in part A, to justify the use of the without exercise treatment as the control means to explain why the choice of this treatment as a control is right or good. Whereas in part B, you have to justify your answer. So in part B, you're going to have to provide evidence from the data to support a claim that you make. Okay? And the claim is going to be here in the determined. So part A, explain why this choice is right or good. Part B, make a claim and then use evidence to support that claim. When we look at this graph, you see that every single error bar overlaps. And what that means is that there's so much uncertainty with each of these means that the true data point for t equals 0 hours with exercise could be anywhere within this bar. And so if the true data point could be anywhere within this bar, and this true data point could be anywhere within this bar, and same for these, they all overlap. Overlapping just means that there's no significant difference between these bars because the actual data point is estimated to be within a range. So let's look at the answers. Part A, justify. Why is it a good control? As a control, the without exercise treatment allows the researchers to attribute the changes in prolactin levels to exercise only. Okay, that's your independent variable. Again, I would pause this and go back and read the question if you need to, but as the control, this allows the researchers to say any change in prolactin level activity is going to be due to exercise. Now, in part B, we make the statement prolactin activity is not influenced by exercise, right? So the way to explain your answer to part B, you get 1 point for saying this, exercise does not affect prolactin release. And then you get 1 point for using data to justify your answer. There's two ways you can do this. You can compare the 1 hour time with and the 1 hour time without exercise, or you can compare the 0 and 1 hour prolactin levels with exercise. So that looks like this. Ready? After 1 hour, the difference in blood prolactin concentration between the with exercise group and the without exercise group is not significant because the error bars for these data sets overlap. Or you could say, in the group that performed exercise, the difference in blood prolactin concentration at 0 hours and 1 hour is not significant because the error bars for these data sets overlap. So the explanation is very similar for these options. It's basically just which data groups you choose to compare. All right, thank you so much. I'm going to take a break. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.